Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a brand new beauty box to share with you and it is from Naturisimo and this is their discovery box. And the theme of this box is bedtime rituals. Naturisimo is a ethical beauty website, cruelty-free, vegan, clean beauty with lots of amazing brands, and they often have sales, plus they bring out these limited edition one-off beauty boxes. It's not a subscription, you get to see exactly what's inside the box on the website and they bring them out quite regularly. As well as this one, there's about 5 or 6 other ones on their website, so I'll pop them down below in my description, as well as links to this box and the Naturisimo website. I'll pop all them down below as well. This box is kind of gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. They have given me a code which will entitle you to receive 15% off. Diaryofabeautygeek 15. I'll also pop that down below. Please let me know if you'd like to see more unboxings of these discovery boxes on my channel, and if you've bought any of their previous boxes. I'd love to hear what they've been like. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you what's inside this one. First up, we got a bath milk by Weleda. This is Arnica Recuperating bath milk, soothing and relaxing, and there's 50 mils here. It says a warm bath with this aromatic bath milk helps soothe body and mind while the muscles and tired limbs relax, lifting the feelings of tiredness and fatigue with a refreshing blend of rosemary and lavender, essential oils and extracts of arnica flowers and birch leaf. Gorgeous bottle. Wow, that is quite strong. Oh, clear my nose. Yeah, that smells lovely. This is really nice. So yeah, a recuperating bath milk, although I don't have a bath. But anything that I receive for the bath now goes into foot baths. So I'll be doing that. Next, we've got something for the hair. This is John Masters Organics Hair Mask for normal hair with rose and apricot. And there's 60 mils here. It says organic ingredients, a natural component of essential oils, made in the USA. It's just got a list of ingredients. But if you want to learn any more about these products in the box, then you'll be able to seek them out on their website and you'll have more information that way. It's got a hair mask. Next, we've got Aurelia London Cell Revitalised Night Moisturiser, rich probiotic night cream with Protida, shea and avocado. 30 mils there. It says designed to reduce cellular damage and promote production of collagen and hyaluronic acid for plump, dewy skin that glows. Protida is a leading edge in probiotic skincare innovation. 3 unique probiotic complexes combine to boost the skin's natural immunity, managing inflammation and enhancing repair for powerful results from within. There. Just nice smell, very subtle, but yeah, lovely. Then we've got a mini Antipodes Connect with Nature. This is an Aura Manuka honey mask and there's 15 mils. Smooth thick layers of this creamy mask all over your face and neck at sunset, twice a week, or as skin calls. Leave for 15 minutes and rinse with warm and pure water, also ideal for attending to blemishes as they may arise. Looks like that. Got a face mask. Then we got Goldfaden MD. This is a Pure Start Gentle Detoxifying Facial Cleanser. Wheat protein, botanical cleansing agents, grapefruit peel oil. A multitasking advanced cleanser that dissolves impurities, removing dead skin, excess oil and or makeup in one single step. And there's 20 mils there. Now I'm going to be testing out most of these products, not all of them, but most of these products in a little Instagram video. I'll do a little reel. I'll also pop it on my TikTok page as well. So if you're following me on Instagram or TikTok, you'll be able to see me trying them all out. No, there's no scent that I can smell. No, it's got a cleanser. Next, we've got a Maoli, The Art of Sleep, Sleep Dharma Pillow Mist, and there's 10 mils here. Spritz on pillows from 20 centimetres distance, made in England, vegan and all natural. Oh, that's lovely. Oh my gosh, that is really nice. Yes, I can smell lavender, but there's other things in there as well. Oh, that is really, really nice. It doesn't really say. I'm going to have a look on their website. Sleep Dharma Pillow Mist. Yeah, that's lovely. Is that? This is gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. I received one of these in a different beauty box a couple of, maybe a year or two ago. Yeah, about 2 years ago. It is absolutely stunning. This is from Lola's Apothecary. It's a relaxing body and massage oil, and this is Tranquil Isle. It's got a little one there, but can you see? It's got lavender in there as well. Hopefully you'll be able to see. Turn it upside down there. It is so, so nice. Oh yeah, it's lovely. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. What is that? Then we've got Juice Beauty Prebiotix 20% Vitamin C Freshly Squeezed Glow Vitamin C Serum. And there's 9 mils here. I haven't heard of this brand before. But yeah, what does it say? 20% vitamin C. That was really good. So it looks like. For luminous skin that evokes freshly squeezed glow, 20% active vitamin C and powerful botanical, antioxidant-rich Prebiotix serum helps even the complexion by targeting dark spots and damage due to the sun, pollution, age or blemishes. Vitamin C serum. And then lastly, we've got something rather intimate. This is Ooh, I Feel Love by Neighbourhood Botanics. This is an intimate lube and there's 100 mils there. Gorgeous bottle. My camera will focus on it. Yeah. Feel the love with this luxury tingling lubricant gel. This is a gentle and vegan cooling lube featuring lactic acid and prebiotic oat extract to give added moisture during sexual activity and support a healthy and fresh intimate microbiome. Oh my word. It smells of peppermint. It's peppermint smell. Did it say it's peppermint smell? It's tingly though. Tingly things usually have like a peppermint in them. So there you go. So those are all the products inside the new discovery box, the Bedtime Rituals by Naturisimo. So I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. Weleda bath milk, John Masters organic hair mask, got a Mowley sleep pillow spray, got a Juice Beauty vitamin C serum, got Aurelia London night moisturiser, mini antipods Manuka honey facial mask, Lola's Apothecary massage oil, Goldfaden MD cleansing gel, and lastly Neighbourhood Botanicals intimate tingling lube. The cost of the box is £22 and it has a value of £127. I think it's a really nice box. I do think all the products are thought out really nicely, and yeah, definitely products that you'd use at night, possibly. This is my very first box from Naturisimo, and yeah, I am really impressed with it. I do think it's great value for money, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this one? Are you going to buy it, or are you thinking, nah, it's not for me? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye bye.